Hello and welcome to my crypto brief. It's a new channel, so if you like the video, please click the like button. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. In today's video, we're going to look at my plan to make millions in crypto starting 2026. Let's jump into the charts. And the first chart we're going to look at is the Bitcoin chart. So we're currently below the bull market support band. It's the end of the post-halving year, so likely the high of $126,000 is the cycle top. But I still have crypto. So what am I going to do? Well, if this cycle is anything like last cycle, we'll come up and touch the bull market support band and potentially go above it for a week or so before coming down to the bear market lows. So that's going to be my chance to sell. Altcoins, when this happens, will likely go mad. Potentially they could put in a higher high or maybe just have a bit of a dead cat bounce, kind of similar to Bitcoin, maybe a bit of a head and shoulders pattern forming before we then drop. Um, so that's the short term as well. If we go down before we go up, I might actually nibble at some Bitcoin around 78,000, $75,000 as well, with the intention to sell that at about 103 to $108,000. Although the bull market support band will likely go lower as we go further out. So that's the short term. And the more crypto we can sell before the bear market, the more money we'll have to buy up cheap crypto in the bear market. When are we going to buy and what price are we going to buy at? So if we just take last cycle as an example, the bull market high, the bear market low took about a year and was a 77% drop. We have the same time and drop this cycle. That will put us at 77, about $49,000 and 360 days at around the early October. What else? So last cycle, the bear market low was also about 20% below the previous all-time high. The last cycle, we can't see it here, but the bear market low was actually higher than the previous cycle all-time high. So there's a chance that actually we could go lower than 20%. And if we take that 20% down here, that gives us about $55,000. Again, we could go lower. So the plan is probably to start buying around $55,000. And good traders don't just go all in or all out. Good traders dollar cost average. So once we hit about $55,000, start to buy, and $48,000, maybe buy more. And we should get a fair amount of time. I mean, this kind of range lasted for, what's that, 260 days? Is that 9 months? So we should have a good amount of time to buy up cheap Bitcoin. So if we sell all our crypto and we buy back around 48,000, that's a 40% increase, or 40% discount on our crypto. If we sell up at the bull market support band and we buy back at about $48,000 on average, it's a 52% drop in price. So we're doubling essentially our crypto holdings. Potentially more if altcoins spike higher when we go up to the bull market support band. But doubling our crypto holdings doesn't make us a millionaire. So let's look at the next chart. And the next chart we're going to look at is total 3 minus USDT and USDC divided by Bitcoin. And what that is, total 3 is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're subtracting out the two largest stablecoins, which essentially gives us the total altcoin market cap, and we're dividing that then by the total Bitcoin market cap. We can see here that we're sitting at 0.33, which means that the total altcoin market cap, give or take, is about a third of the Bitcoin market cap. And how we're going to make millions in crypto is try to catch a trade like this, which is admittedly buying the bottom and selling the top. So it's going to be hard to catch it exactly, but it's 423% roughly, which is a 5.2x. If we're already doubling our crypto from here, that's about a 10x. And as well, this is the total altcoin market cap if we pick good projects with good teams. And I have a few already kind of lined up. Maybe we can cover them in another video. Then we could potentially do better than a 10x. But how are we going to know when to go? Well, by looking at this chart, we can see there's kind of an area of support between 0.025 and 0.028. And if we capitulate below that, then it's going to be a great time to start converting the Bitcoin into altcoins in anticipation for this huge run up. And whenever we take into consideration rates being cut next year and the money printers getting turned on, maybe we can do a video as well about how the money printers getting turned on affected crypto last cycle. But with all that stimulus for the market, when we see this capitulation by altcoins against Bitcoin, that's when we're going to start to jump in. And again, good traders don't go all in. They dollar cost average. So how long was this? How long was this kind of time period? This time period was about 2 months. But every time we kind of touch this line, it's going to maybe be another ban opportunity. And once we dip below it, that's kind of when to start buying a lot more aggressively. So that's it. That's the video. I hope you took some value from it. If there's anything you'd like me to cover, it's a new channel, so please leave feedback in the comments below. If there's anything you'd like me to cover, please give me that feedback too, and we can certainly have a look at it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye now. Sorry, and just one final point. I said we a lot, but you have to make your own decisions in crypto. It's not financial advice. Thanks. Bye now.